Today's patio chat is being brought to you locally by Westridge Furniture in Delphus. See it all at your finer outdoor furniture store.
Well, it is Fraud Friday, and we're going to talk about business banking fraud. Learn more about that. To my immediate left, we have Drew Canton, and he's Commercial Loan Officer at Superior Credit Union, and Jessica Halliday, of course, Director of Fraud at Superior. So thank you both for coming today.
Yeah, thanks for having us.
Okay, so Jessica, you always bring us all kinds of different topics. So this one's a little bit different. A lot of the stuff we've been talking to, like individuals and stuff, but businesses now can also be a target.
Yes, so businesses are a big target. They're going to get more bang for their buck because it's a business account, so they know they're going to have a big payday. So,
Okay.
yeah, so we want to make sure that we're educating our businesses to be prepared and aware and stay safe.
Right. Okay, so Drew, what kind of things do get targeted? Is it their checking accounts, savings accounts, fake people? What are we doing with businesses?
Yeah, it's mainly the checking account.
Okay.
And really they are a big target because they're going to have higher balances than our consumer members would. So they're relentless, going after mainly the phishing emails.
Okay.
Employees of that business need to really be careful about what they're clicking on when they're
Oh, so
opening.
it's any employee. They're just not targeting maybe the accounting department or something.
Right.
Oh, okay.
That's the way in.
Okay.
And then once that happens, they get that account information, and they can just go to town from there.
Yep.
And
Okay.
we offer at Superior some defenses against things like that, and one of them is positive pay, which if they do get their banking information and start creating checks on this business account to be cleared on their account, we have something called positive pay, which they can go in every day and view the checks that are clearing the account.
Absolutely.
And that's legitimate or that's not legitimate, and return it.
Oh,
So that's
all right.
a very strong tool that we can give businesses to prevent things like that from happening.
Yeah. Well, Jessica, you always tell people, be careful, monitor, check your accounts and stuff like that. So, Drew, do you have to do the same thing as a business owner then?
Oh, you sure do. Yeah, and more,
More
we
so.
get
More so, really?
we get these kind of training courses every
With
month
today's
at
technology,
Superior too.
it's easy
because
to do
we
a
could
lot
be
with money and business
targets of
online.
something like
And
that
it's
if we
all-
click on something ourselves. So it's just that prevalent that has to be out there and talked about a lot to keep that front of mind, so that these employees don't accidentally enter up a way into the business accounts.
So basically checking the invoices, making sure that it makes sense if there's something different on the invoice, to make sure that you're not just paying it, that you're picking up the phone, you're calling that vendor and saying, hey, did you guys change your payment method? I used to pay it this way, now you're instructing me to pay it this way. That's
okay.
a big red flag that something is not right. So
Well, you're supposed to check your credit cards and stuff like that, even your statements, to make sure everything's good. So, even
Absolutely.
businesses need to check their invoices and the bills they get?
Yeah, you wouldn't think that.
Right, because you're like, oh, yeah, Joe Schmo did help us out, and fix the
but
toilet or
they-
whatever. Yeah.
That is a new one. Actually, I've been dealing with business for 20 years, and that's the first time I've seen an invoice come into a business that was not legitimate. And
Yep.
they paid it.
Yep.
Oh,
And the funds are
really?
gone.
Yeah,
Oh, there's no way of getting that
Nope,
stuff back,
it's
huh?
gone.
right.
It's gone, just like that.
Wow. Okay. Wow.
It's important. Check
These
the
people, really, these people are just getting so good now. What?
They're getting very good. There's just like shops, I think, that they do this full time. It's a full-time job to go after individuals and businesses and make it look very legitimate. And they just have to be so careful about who you're talking to.
I guess it's our full-time job and business owners' full-time job to check it out too then every
Yes.
day.
Absolutely.
It is.
It is, like in a business, typically would have like an accounting department or whatever. Should there be a couple people checking it all? I mean, I guess it's just not enough. More eyes, the better.
The more eyes, the better, yes. On a lot of the things that we offer at Superior, we have dual control.
Yep.
So that something can't just be sent out by someone who gets the credentials of a user at a business.
Okay.
So that has to have that second approver in the office in order to send that transaction out.
That's some good tips there too. Wow.
Yes.
Fraud Friday, business banking fraud. It's out there. Be careful. Thanks for coming today, you guys.
yeah.
Good to see you. All right, don't go away. We'll take a look at the weather forecast next.